All right, y'all, just show you a quick little video. You got your garage door opener, and down there you got a sensor. There's one on both sides of the garage door. So if you're having trouble, like so, as you can see, just a quick fix, just something real quick. You see that green light there. And that one doesn't have a light. Typically what you want to do is you want to realign them, and that should fix your problem. But as a quick fix, like for mine is more than aligning. I've cleaned the lens, and it's still not working. But just a quick fix, just to get you out the door if you're in a rush. If you come over here to your garage door opener right here, and if you just press and hold, that'll get your garage door to shut. All right, so hopefully that helps somebody, just to kind of get you out of a bind, just get you out of a pinch real quick. So normally, like I said, it is those sensors that need to be realigned. But if you're just in a tight pinch and just need to get out of there real quick, take your garage door opener, or even in your car, if you got it in your car, the built-in garage door opener, you should be able to press and hold, and it should shut your door for you. So hopefully that helps somebody, and like the video.